Speak English, Beginner Series, Lesson 6.
Welcome back to our Speak English Beginner series. Today we shall zoom into the art of making small talk. Small talk is essential for building connections and making a good impression. Whether you're at a party, in a coffee shop, or meeting someone new, small talk can break the ice. And don't worry, we're here to make it fun and engaging. Ready to become a small talk expert? Let's get started. Small talk is all about casual conversation on light topics. Think of it as verbal popcorn, easy, light, and enjoyable. So let's go through some key phrases for making small talk. First things first, greetings. A simple hello or hi goes a long way. Add a smile and you're golden.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
See? Easy peasy. Now let's move on to some common small talk topics. One of the most popular topics is the weather.
Beautiful weather today, isn't it?
Absolutely, it's so nice to finally have some sunshine.
Talking about the weather is a safe and universal topic. Plus, it's a great way to start a conversation. Let's add some humor to keep things lively.
Can you believe this weather? Yesterday, it was raining cats and dogs, and today it's like a sauna.
I know, right? Welcome to our unpredictable weather.
Humor makes small talk more engaging. Speaking of engaging, asking questions is key. People love talking about themselves. So show interest and keep the conversation going.
Did you do anything fun over the weekend?
Yeah. I went hiking with some friends. How about you?
That sounds great. I went to a new restaurant downtown. The food was amazing.
Notice how they ask and answer questions? It keeps the conversation flowing. Now, let's talk about compliments. Genuine compliments can make someone's day and build rapport.
I love your jacket. It looks great on you.
Thanks. I got it on sale last week.
Compliments are a fantastic way to connect. Just make sure they're sincere. Now, let's practice putting all these elements together in a real-life scenario.
Hi there. I'm Sarah. How are you?
Hi Sarah, I'm Tom. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great, thanks. Have you tried the food here? It's delicious.
Not yet, but I've heard it's amazing. What do you recommend?
The mini burgers are fantastic. And the weather today is perfect for a party, isn't it?
Absolutely. I'm glad it didn't rain. So what do you do for fun?
I love hiking and reading. How about you?
I'm into photography and cooking. Hey, I love your shoes, by the way.
Thanks, they're my favorite pair.
See how they seamlessly blended greetings, questions, compliments, and the weather into their conversation? That's small talk mastery. Now let's cover a few more small talk topics. Hobbies are always a hit. People love sharing their interests.
What kind of books do you like to read?
I'm a big fan of mystery novels. How about you?
I love science fiction. Have you read anything good lately?
Talking about hobbies not only keeps the conversation going, but also helps you find common ground. Another great topic is current events. Just keep it light and non-controversial.
Did you see the game last night?
Yeah, it was intense. I can't believe that last-minute goal.
I know, right? It was a nail-biter.
Sports, movies, TV shows, all great small talk topics. And if you're ever stuck, just ask questions. People love to share their opinions.
Have you seen any good movies lately?
Yes, I just watched the latest superhero movie. It was awesome.
I've been meaning to see that. What did you think of the plot?
Before we wrap up, let's recap some key phrases for making small talk. Hello, how are you? Beautiful weather today, isn't it? Did you do anything fun over the weekend? I love your jacket. What kind of books do you like to read? Did you see the game last night? And don't forget to keep it fun and engaging with a bit of humor. Can you believe this weather? Yesterday it was raining cats and dogs. And today it's like a sauna. Welcome to our unpredictable weather. That's it for today's lesson on making small talk. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try these phrases in your daily conversations. and soon you'll be a small talk superstar. Don't forget to check out the rest of our Speak English Beginner series. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun and engaging English lessons. Cheers!